In front of me is XIAOMI 17T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Bluetooth. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and tap on one of your available devices that will appear over here. Then use this icon next to allow access to your contacts and call history to enable or disable it, and when you're ready, select Pair. Then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wanna disconnect them, use this icon next to the device and choose Unpair. You can also manage all of those options however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!